Hello, everyone. Just want to make this short video to help get you started on making your Google survey or Google form. So to get started, we're just going to go to Google Forms. So I'll type in Google Forms in the search bar in Google, and it comes up. First hit Google Forms. So I'm going to click on that. If you don't have a Gmail account, you do need to create one in order to use Google Forms. So feel free to work with your group. Chances are somebody probably has a Gmail or Google account already, and they can be the lead creator on that Google survey. But so we're going to go to Forms. That's what we're working with, Google Form. It's also called survey. I call it a survey often. And we are going to get started making a survey. So you can choose a template. Chances are these templates aren't going to be suited for your project. So we're going to just go to blank form. And now there's a lot of different formatting that you can do to for the background or template of your form. This button right here, customize theme, allows you to change the style of the font. You can also change the color as well by going to, let's search around here, customize theme. And that is actually under this customize theme. If we scroll down here, there's where we see different colors you can use. You can choose an image to be on your header if you want. They give you some options. Maybe we want these jelly beans. Insert. Let's see what that looks like. Go out of the settings. Question. Oh, cool. Jelly beans on the top. Maybe we asked a question about what kind of jelly bean flavor or color you like best. I don't know. Are those jelly beans? I don't know. They look like some other candy, but whatever. Okay, so that's just customizing your form. Here or here, you can click on to create your title. So we're going to say Math 146 Awesome Survey. So there's our title. And we'll put that title up here too in our header as well. Okay, so now you can do a little bit of a description. This survey is to collect data for our Math 146 course. Thank you for completing it. Okay, whatever. You can share information about your survey, maybe give a little bit of details about what you're hoping to look at or what the survey is focused on. And then you can just start making your questions. So they give you a initial sort of question box to get started. Here on the right side, you can toggle between the types of questions you're asking. So short response, short answer, long answer, multiple choice, meaning select one. You can choose check boxes, so you have multiple to select. Then there's other drop-down file upload, linear scale. You probably won't be using most of these. The most common question you'll want to ask is probably a multiple choice or check boxes. Multiple choice, again, if you have one answer response, check boxes if you're allowing multiple. So first question we could ask is, what is your favorite class? And then option, you just click on, it's pretty intuitive. You move the mouse down to that first option one that it's populated already. You select, and I'm going to say Math 146, obviously. That could be one of our choices. Another choice could be Math 151. Another, especially if you took it with Dr. Hobson, that could be your favorite. Another option could be, I don't know, Psych 210. Okay. And we'll add other too, so people can choose other if they want. And now down here, you can duplicate the question, you can throw it away, and you can make it required. So I'm going to make that question required. So if I want to ask another question, I just press this plus button, add, and I can ask another question, like, I don't know, what grade did you receive? Okay. And then, even it has some suggestions here. CED. Okay. Anyway, so that's how we create it. A couple of the things that I want to say. So this will auto save for you. When you're ready to send out your survey, you can first look at what it's going to look like from the viewer by looking at preview. So you can go here. Oh, this is what it's going to look like. They're going to read this and they can select some stuff. And then you can see what it looks like. So there are a lot of different options you can do at this point. In the settings, you can explore that. For example, you can have a message. You can, if you require people to submit their email, you can have a message be sent to the email that just says, thank you for submitting. Other things here, when you're ready to send your survey, you press on send, and then it gives you a couple different options. So first of all, I always prefer to choose do not collect email. That way it just allows, if somebody is not signed into their email, it's just a little bit less cumbersome for them to actually fill out your survey. And then you can either send via email, or what I like to do is click on this link button and I shorten it. And then it just gives you a short link that you can then copy. You can email it out yourself. You can put it on your social media. You can mail it to a friend. And then whoever has that link will then be able to take your survey. Okay, now, so that is just a little bit about creating the survey. Once people have submitted responses, then you go to responses. And what's really cool is then you see everyone's response summarized for you per question. You can also look at each question specifically, and you will see a list of what people responded, or you can look per individual. So, oh, this person, their favorite class was 146 and they got a C in it. What's really helpful for us is notice this link to sheets. If you click on that and create a new sheet, you will have a spreadsheet that has listed all of your data, which is really cool. And this is the spreadsheet that you'll be using when you dig into the data and do some further analysis on it for the next part of our project. Okay, so with that, I'll let you go. This was a lot of information to start with. Oh, okay. A lot of information to start with. Please reach out if any questions come up, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you have got. All right, talk to you later. Bye.